all that cold air has provided a bit of a reprieve from our more muggy weather conditions. The increased winds have caused problems for at least one business in our area.
A hair salon owner says the winds were so strong it damaged her door, even unrooted part of the brick lining around it. She says she's already looking to see if they can get it fixed up today. Josh Maxwell joins us live from Planet Soul Salon along Alameda now with that report. Josh.
Yeah, Mike, Leslie, as we've heard all throughout the day, weather and more importantly, those winds have been the big talker of the day, but this business did feel the brunt of it. Now, while the door at Planet Soul is still up and standing, you can see this little sign on the door that says use the back door. And we actually saw a patron who got here just a couple of minutes ago, probably for her appointment, who actually had to walk around to the back. But we did speak with the owner today who, while she wasn't at her store at the time, she said one of her employees actually came to open up, and here's what she had to say.
The wind just took the door with her, and it just damaged the whole frame of the door. I'm hoping that somebody can come and fix it today.
Now again, while she wasn't here, she does look to have this door up and sealed tight. She did mention in the interview about how she is kind of worried about just making sure this door is properly secured. There is kind of a way that they have to maneuver it in order to kind of lock it at night. But again, we do hope that they get that door fixed. And if you are one of many businesses, just make sure you have things secured, be safe on the roads, and of course, continue to monitor the weather conditions both on air and online at KIIITV.com. But for now, reporting on South Alameda, Josh Maxwell, 3 News. Now back to you.